welcome back to Premio Talk Rugged, and in today's video we're diving into GPUs, specifically on NVIDIA's brand new Blackwell architecture and what makes it such a big deal. And we'll also take a quick look at Premio's industrial GPU computers, which are now validated to support these NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs. So let's get started. So what's actually new with NVIDIA Blackwell? Well, compared to the previous Ada Lovelace architecture, this is a pretty big jump. Not just in raw performance, but also in efficiency, scalability, and also in AI capability. Honestly, you can think of Blackwell as being built as the next wave of AI computing. Alright, let's break it down one by one. First off, you're getting a major boost in AI compute performance. That means faster model training, quicker inference, and overall smoother performance when running AI workloads. Now, if you take a look at a quick comparison between the Blackwell and Ada architectures, one thing really stands out. It's higher compute density. We're talking more CUDA cores and a big leap in AI performance. And a big reason for that is actually their new 5th generation tensor cores. With these, Blackwell can deliver up to 3 times the AI performance compared to the previous generation, which is honestly a huge jump. But here's what makes it more interesting. And all that extra performance comes without a massive increase in power. So you're getting significantly more performance within a similar power envelope, which means way better performance per watt. And that's actually a really big deal, especially for edge and industrial deployments where power and thermals really matter. So overall, more power, more efficiency, and more AI capabilities all packed into the same footprint. If you'd like to learn more about the technical details on what's new in NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, you can read our full blog by clicking the link on the top right corner. So what does all of these mean in the real world? With this level of performance and efficiency, you can start running much more advanced workloads directly at the edge. We're talking about things like digital twin simulations in smart manufacturing, real-time vision AI in factory floor, or even running large language models locally without relying on the cloud. You can also bring Gen AI on-prem, which is a big deal for industries that require low latency, better data control, and offline capability. Now, sure, some of this was already possible with the previous generation, but the real difference here is actually the efficiency. You're getting way better performance per watt, and again, this is important, especially in industrial environments where power and thermal limits are a constant challenge. And to unlock all of that performance, you need the right hardware to support these Blackwell GPUs, especially in industrial environments. So Premio offers a wide range of industrial GPU computers, from compact, low-profile designs all the way to high-performance GPU platforms built for different deployment needs, starting with the BCO 6000 RPL series. So this is a semi-rugged, high-performance industrial computer powered by 12 to 14 Gen Intel Core processors. It can support 2-slot GPU expansion and works with our NVIDIA RTX Pro 2000 and 4000 SFF Blackwell GPUs. Since it operates between 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, it's best suited for controlled environments. So think of applications like factory automation, control rooms, or smart retail analytics, where you still need performance but not extreme ruggedization. Next up is the RCO 6000 RPL series. This one is built for much tougher conditions, a super rugged AI edge inference computer powered by 12 to 14 Gen Intel Core processors, and now it can also support the Bartow Lake CPUs. So this one, it can support GPU expansion through our Edge Boost nodes, Premio's modular technology for performance scaling. And yes, it supports the NVIDIA RTX Pro 2000 and 4000 SFF Blackwell GPUs, with an operating range from -25 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. This system is designed for harsh environments. So it's really perfect for use cases like outdoor smart city deployments, roadside traffic monitoring, mining operations, or anywhere reliability is critical. Now let's talk about the more powerful system in the lineup, the VCO 6000 RPL series. So this is a machine vision computer also powered by 12 to 15 Gen Intel Core processors. It can support both single and dual GPU configurations, including full-length GPUs, up to the NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Max-Q Workstation GPU. Now, this kind of performance also opens the door to more advanced use cases like digital twin environments, where you're simulating and optimizing operations in real time. And since this system can handle both AI and high-performance graphics workloads, it's a really strong fit for those kind of applications. Moving into more workstation-style systems, we have the Casio 2000 RPL series. This is a short-depth 2U fan industrial computer powered by the 12 to 14 Gen Intel Core processors. It's a straightforward workstation with rich I/O, 4 PCIe slots supporting RTX Pro 2000 and 4000 SFF GPUs. Since it's designed for controlled environments, it fits well in lab environments, AI development stations, or system integration setups, where flexibility and expandability really matters here. Then there's the Casio 3000 RPL series. Similar foundation with the Casio 2000 RPL, but in a larger 3U form factor with dual GPU support up to RTX Pro 4000 GPUs. So this gives you more performance headroom for heavier workloads. Great for applications like video analytics, simulation workloads, or AI model testing environments. And just like the Casio 2000, this one is also intended for controlled environments. And finally, the LLM series, our Edge AI rack mount servers. Starting with the LLM 1U RPL, this is a short-depth 1U rack mount system powered by 12 to 14 Gen Intel Core processors. So it features a 600-watt redundant power supply and can support up to RTX Pro 4500 Blackwell GPU. This system is really built for scalable deployments, making it a great fit for on-prem AI inference, private LLM deployments, data center edge nodes, or enterprise AI applications. So whether you're deploying in a controlled environment or even in the harshest environment, Premio has a platform ready to support these NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs and also help you bring the next-gen AI to where it's actually needed. So now that we have gone through Premio's industrial GPU computer lineup, so the next question is probably, how reliable are these systems really? And the answer to that is Premio actually built this system to be fully industrial grade, but let's take a look at how we actually make that happen, especially for GPU deployments at the edge. First, let's take a look at industrial locking brackets. In a typical workstation environment, GPUs are installed in stable indoor conditions. But edge deployments are very different. Systems are often exposed to vibration, constant movement, or even mechanical shock, whether in vehicles, factory floors, or roadside infrastructure. So to handle that, Premio adds industrial-grade locking brackets inside the chassis to physically secure the GPU and expansion modules. So what that means is your GPU stays firmly in place during both operation and also transport. And it also helps maintain stable PCIe connectivity while reducing mechanical stress on the expansion slots over time. Ultimately, this design enhances long-term durability and ensures reliable GPU performance even in the harsh deployment environments. Next, let's talk about the adaptive smart fans. Thermals are a big deal, especially with GPUs. And in edge AI systems, workloads aren't always consistent. They can spike, they can drop and change pretty quickly, and on top of that, you've got high-performance GPUs and NVMe storage generating a lot of heat in a compact space. Now, traditional cooling systems usually run at fixed speeds, and which is not always efficient. So instead, Premio uses adapted smart fans that automatically adjust airflow based on the real-time temperatures inside the system. So what you get is more stable GPU temperatures, less thermal throttling, and overall less heat stress on critical components. And finally, one feature that might seem small but actually makes a huge difference: our hot swappable fan design. In a lot of edge deployments, these systems are running 24/7, and they're inside machines, cabinets, or tight installations, and shutting them down just to replace a fan is really not ideal. So Premio designs this system so you can swap out the fan modules where the system is running. No downtime, no interruptions. It makes maintenance faster and easier and way less disruptive, especially when your GPU is supporting real-time workloads. So yeah, individually this might seem like small design choices, but together they really make a huge difference. So our goal is always to ensure that every solution that we deliver provides reliable and consistent performance, and it's always ready for real-world deployment. Alright, that wraps up today's look at NVIDIA Blackwell and also a quick overview of Premio's industrial GPU solutions and also our rugged design features. And if you'd like to learn more about our GPU solutions, feel free to check out the link at the top right corner. And if you have any projects or requirements for industrial-grade GPU systems, you can contact us at sales@premioinc.com. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Premio's YouTube channel at Premio Inc. Talk rugged, see you next time.